A very good evening to all of you and welcome to No Reservations. And yes, again, we have some fantastic guests. Let me tell you a little bit about them. He is known as the chronicler of life and color and people. She is a vixen and quite the personality to boot. Who are these people? Well, as usual, you're going to have to stay tuned to find out because we're going to take a very short break, but you do not want to go anywhere. This is going to be quite an interesting interview. Stay tuned. You're watching No Reservations with myself, Ayeshah Alam Khan. Good evening. It is Sunday. Let's sit back and enjoy the show.